Hey guys, welcome back to my Infinite Painter tutorial. Today we'll draw this beautiful sunset, hope you like it. First use the gradient tool for the background and select the highlighted colors. Create a layer above, and draw a mountain. Then fill it. Now, create a clip layer, draw further details on the mountain. Use the eraser for this side. Create a layer below, and draw more mountains around the first one. Similarly, draw details on it also. Use the smudge tool to draw the sky texture. I have merged all the mountain layer together. Create more layers above and draw some rocky hills using the fill brush. Now, we'll create multiple pine tree layers above this layer. This is a custom stamp brush. If you don't have one, just follow this video and create one. It's pretty easy to make. Link in the description. Keep the size of the tree small at first, then increase its size in every layer. Now use this brush to erase all the layers partially except the top one. Create a layer above the background layer and draw the sun, and use the blur filter on it. Merging the first two layers and remaining mountain and trees layers separately. After you're done merging layers, create a layer in between them. I'm using 9.4 pixel size here. Enable the vertical symmetry tool, and draw the lower part of the watchtower. Use the grid tool to draw the straight lines in between. Now, disable the grid tool and draw the remaining parts. Duplicate this layer, and use Basic Transformation tool, then adjust the position. Create a clip layer for the duplicate layer and paint on it, then merge it. Create a layer in between both layer and join them. I'm using the 9.4 pixel size. Now, duplicate this layer again and use the Basic Transformation tool to move it to the other side. Align the top part, then change it to Distort, and then align the lower part also. Merge this layer also. Create a clip layer for other two layer for additional minor details. Just paint all four stands partially. After you're done, merge all of them together and create a layer above. Enable the rectangle tool and draw a small house on the top. Use basic shapes square and triangle. Draw the remaining parts. Adjust it using the Distort tool. Create a clip layer and use the rectangle tool for the windows. Use the grid tool to erase vertical lines. Use the selection tool to duplicate and modify the window. Merge both window and create one layer, and then change it to screen. Draw some highlights on the house. Use the grid tool to draw the fence. Draw some antennas and an electric pole. Use the selection tool and duplicate it. Now connect them with a wire. At the end, draw a flock of birds. That's it, it's done. Thanks for watching. If it helped, then like the video, and subscribe for more videos like this. You can also follow me on Instagram, links in the description.